Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video, we'll see how to create the character intro animation in Filmora using the freeze frame effect. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, then you can download that from the link in the description below. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow for more Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm inside Filmora. I have already added the media in the bin. So the first part of this tutorial is getting this media into the timeline, and let me just keep the project settings, and here we need to select a frame where we want it to freeze. So I want it to freeze over here. So what I will do, I will just keep my playhead over here and I will right click on it and click on add freeze frame. And once we click on add freeze frame, so this is where the video will freeze, as you can see if it goes on, and we will keep the playhead over here and go to the snapshot. So you can click a snapshot by clicking on Ctrl Alt and S, or you can just click on this camera icon. So let me just click it. So as you can see, the snapshot will appear over here. So what we need to do now is remove the background of this snapshot that we just clicked. We will be going to the second part of this video where we'll be using an online tool to remove the background of this image. So the first of all, you might need the location of this snapshot, so you can go into the properties and see the location where this image is located. So let's get started with the second part of this tutorial. As you can see, I'm inside Canva right now. So here we will be using this YouTube thumbnail, which is a YouTube template for creating removing the background of the image. So since our resolution of the video is also of the same form, we are using this template. Now we will upload the snapshot that we just take. So as you can see, the snapshot is getting uploaded. Now let me just click on this, so it will automatically get added into the template, and I will cover the entire template with this image. So once you're done with that, just select the image and go into effects and click on background remove. So if you're not able to see this background remover option, this is because you don't have the pro version of Canva. I have a pro version, so you can use the free trial from the link in the description below. So once this background is removed, just click on download. Make sure it is of PNG type and select transparent background and click on download. So once this is downloaded, let's meet back into Filmora. Hey guys, welcome to the third and the final part of this tutorial. Here we'll be completing the entire setup, the character animation. So as you can see, I have already added the media, which is the background, transparent background image. So what I will do, first I will add this background. So here is the background that I have used, I have downloaded from the internet. So you can also use the sample colors if you want, but I wanted this effect, so I downloaded this. And let me just scale this so it completes the entire. Click on OK. So after we are done with this, what I will do, I will add text. As you saw in the intro, there were text in the character animation. So let me just add them. Double click and I will write, let me just write that sassy girl. Okay, this looks good. Let me just increase the scale a little bit. And here we'll go to advanced, and let's just add some. Here it is fill, so we will not be adding anything. I will add a border a little bit and take shadow. Let me change this color to yellow. How does this look? Not that great. Let's change it to maybe black. Okay, that looks good. So you can also change the type here. Okay, this looks good. Click on OK. but before clicking, just go into advanced, and you might have seen the animation as well. So click on animation here, and the animation I will be using is, so I'll be using flip down 2, or you can also use flip down 1. Let's use flip down 1 and click on OK, and we will just copy this and paste this again, and I'll just change the text to sassy girl and maybe place it over here. And once you're done with this, I'll go to media again and add this girl above it. So as you can see, the text is behind. You can change the position of the text if you want, but I like it to be behind the main character. It gives the depth. And you can also add these elements from here. As you might have seen, I used this hard element. So what I will do, I will just add it above. So I will add it below it, so it is behind the main character. So as you can see, I will double click on it and I will change the position over like this and click on OK. So now let's just play the character intro. So as we are done with this, I want this background to come with a little animation. I will go into transition, and here I will use the simple roll to add over it. Let's just see how it looks. And that looks great. I will add it at the end as well, so that it closes off with that animation. You can use this roll, or you can use this erase animation. Let me just show you with the erase animation how it looks. Let's just see. So as you can see, it is more cooler. So let's just add erase animation. So let's just play now. Let's see how the character animation intro looks. So you can put little delay on these so that it comes after the character has come. Now let's see once again. And then it continues. So that's it guys with this character intro animation. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, then do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more Filmora related tutorials, then make sure you subscribe to our channel. So see you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.